So now we're going to, I got the garden in here, down below on our property now. Oh, the garlic is coming nice, as you can see. I planted it last fall. So now we're going to go down to the bottom end of our property. And I built a little frame, and we're going to plant some asparagus. I've always wanted some. But you got to put it, asparagus you got to put where it's not going to be disturbed. So this is the spot that we picked. That's where I keep all our brush. So this is where we got her. I made a little frame around it. I might stain it after. Dug her down around a good, almost a foot deep. Road tilled it up, put a little bit of lime in there and some wood ashes. Now I got some topsoil we're going to put in there. And then we'll go ahead and plant. So, There. We're off nice. I think that should grow some nice stuff. Well, now what we're going to do is make a trench and make it there. We'll make a trench down the middle. And I'll just put it in there.
You need to make hills for them, right?
Right.
Little round balls.
Yeah. You see how many plants we got?
About 10.
If you can sort them out. So we're just going to put this whole thing in there. We're using what they are, the roots. And we're all good to go. We'll give them some water after the thing. I just got to make a couple little hills, I'll show you. Okay, now lay them on there. I'll bring the camera over. Show them. So I made all the trench in here, and I made 4 nice little hills. We'll just take these roots and put them all around that. Like that. Spread the roots out a little bit. Like little octopus.
Yeah.
There, now we'll just cover them up nice.
couple inches at a time, isn't it?
Yeah. Get them in there under the ground, that's for sure.
Yeah.
And just keep adding a little dirt to them, raking her up to the center. Yeah.
And a little bit at a time, like potatoes.
Right. Yeah.
It's good ground, so it's really nice.
Nice soil. Plus adding to it, she should be good.
Asparagus on
Yeah, I guess I'll just go over and put the bugs there on top.
Well, you're gonna need it for later.
Yeah, cool. Or we could just lay them here. And I'll put them back in and after a while.
After they start sprouting up, then you put more on.
Keep going.
You take it.
This here too. I'll go bring down some water. And,
Water them in.
water them in. Looks nice.
Yeah.
You don't grow that, I don't see what the hell they grow in.
That's beautiful dirt.
Yeah.
I thought I'd turn these off and then
Yeah, they all gotta come off.
and I'll make a little wreath.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like the grapevine.
Yeah. That bush there is a blackberry bush. So, let's see.
You want me to water them?
Oh, you can get your pruners if you want to cut them off. do it. So we got some more soil here. I'll add to that as that comes up. And then I like to end up filling that right full. That'll be about, so it'll be down in around 10 inches or so. And all said and done. But that's nice. Got a little peat moss, some topsoil, black earth, and it's got more underneath it, which is as the road filled it up. And that's just a little box I built. That's just going to keep the weeds from growing into it, and I can just weed eat around it when I mow the grass down here, so without harming it, and just keep the weeds out of it every year. Should be good to go. Yep, and that's it. That's how you plant asparagus. This here's an apple tree. It's coming. I cut her way back last year. It was wild, and so now it's all coming to crabapple. So you can see new shoots coming out up here. I grafted some on up there and over here, that one. So new grafts for a different type of apple. That one there didn't grow, and this one's coming here slowly. And yeah, so that's a nice setup here. We should be eating good.